Welcome to Top Picks, your ultimate destination for the top picks of all things captivating and remarkable.
DARPA's Long Endurance underwater drone undergoes splash test. PacMar Technologies recently splash tested the Manta Ray unmanned underwater vehicle UUV-scaled prototype in Oahu, Hawaii.
PacMar conducted the in-water test to verify sensors, vehicle hydrodynamic performance, and key autonomy behaviors of the glider body. The Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency DARPA stated, "It allows us to validate assumptions and models, and gives us valuable data in preparation for our upcoming full-scale at-sea demonstrations." He added, "We are a critical step closer to realizing the program's objectives for a new class of long-endurance autonomous underwater vehicle." Manta Ray is DARPA's key project to develop a UUV that operates independently of manned vessels and ports once deployed. To achieve this goal, the program intends to advance key technologies in energy management and energy harvesting operational depths. Other expected features include biofueling and corrosion control, navigation, and undersea obstacle avoidance. DARPA is planning a three-phase development effort culminating with an open ocean underwater demonstration.
Energy harvesting tech. Hawaii-based PacMar is among the companies awarded the program's phase 2 contract last year. The other firm, Northrop Grumman, utilizes a device that converts energy from the ocean's thermal gradients into electricity.
Hope you would have liked our video. Subscribe our channel for more amazing videos.